What's up? Today, I'm just... Okay, can you be quiet? Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna just talk about it because it was like my second video. I said I'd done it for my first video, but I just want to make a video so bad. And I got skateboarding because I learned tricks. Yeah. You already know I have dogs, and Griffin is not my dog, but he's our neighbor's dog, barking at me because he wants to lick it. Okay. My name's Wyatt, like, already. I'm in martial arts. I'm a green belt, and I'm about to turn to like a blue belt. Then it's a red belt, and a brown belt, and a black belt. Yeah. And then fall, I think when the coronavirus goes away, I'm going to start doing soccer. Because my parents were like, you're going to get hot. You have to run for all the time. And I was like, I don't care. I run a lot. I play at school a lot, and I run like all the time. But anyway, yeah. Actually, there's that dog that's like brown over there. I can't zoom in. I'm not pro at. Is Griffin, but that white dog I think is their dog now. Like just came in there like a week ago. It is a good dog. Margaret's the black one, like you know, tail with the butt and eye face. Anyway, got back to it. And I probably will make a video after this, but when it uploads, go check out the skateboarding video I made. Actually, I could introduce you to my cats, if I could find them. Let's do cats. I think you guys already know I have cats. Jango, how are you feeling? Good. I know you like your booty scratched. Yep. Okay, where's the cats? Oh, here's the first one. This is Mary, the one. She gets like angry, so when she's angry, you don't want to mess with her. Yeah. Sometimes she's nice, like I pet her right now. Okay, I know where the other one is. I know. Yep. Alright. Will you look at him? That's Buggy. His real name's Sherman, but his name's Buggy. He does not... What? He's the calmest cat in the house. And I have eczema problems with my skin also. So if I have to, like, stop the video sometimes, it's... Yeah, because... What? Wait, where are you? I'm opening up. What are you doing? It's a YouTube video. Just stick to it. What's that? Blue? That face? That bag? That face? That bag? Okay. Where's Stingy? He's our last insult.
This is what Dad's hat. It's but it looks old. That's why you buy it.
He's up
That's my movement.
Is it, do you want, if Mom feels better, I think she does, we could go walk, Molly, maybe. But you don't have to pay attention. No, and then maybe when our uncle's gone. I honestly have no idea what it is. Yes, we downstairs. Buggy. I'm trying to find Stinky. I found the rest of the cats. And you're on YouTube. Okay. Stinky! Where are you? Buddy. Buddy Stinky. I know where he is. I didn't expect it. Yep, he's in here. Stinky, don't go running. Yeah. He's the craziest one. And he's the littlest one. Yeah. Buddy.
What? I got gum like this big.
Seriously?
And I got something else.
That's so weird.
That's not fair.
Even Stinky doesn't get one. Okay, yeah, you can't see him, but you saw him. Get go, we Oh.
I got something else super big. And that's called Super Big Bouncy Ball.
That's why it took you a long time.
No. We didn't we went to like 3 different. We went to 2 stores
See, Cranky Miller. And you know who's like that is? Jango. Yeah.
What?
What?
Done my hat?
Yeah?
You didn't even see it.
Yes, I did. Jack was wearing it.
You don't wear it?
Yeah, I noticed it was a short. But you have to say goodbye. Oh, goodbye. I'm going to record a video and I'll post it, okay? No, goodbye. End of the video. Crazy dude. Hashtag. I'm going to do the description and crazy dude. Okay?